Boy, anyway, oh, he puts onto the Christmas lights. You're running with that one stick.
That's your baby, Boris. Look at that, your head's as big as him. There's your other boy. Hey, look at the boys, look at the babies you made. You big lug. Hey, you big boy.
Call my dad. I guess call my dad, let him know the good news. He'll be happy to hear me out of yours. My dad knows I wanted to get a car with safety, so I didn't get stuck with the same problem that I had with the cars.
Yeah.
So that's why I told him, if you're gonna pay for the safety, then yeah.
There.
I didn't want to have to worry about a safety, so.